In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sold out badge in WooCommerce. We're going to do this directly from your WordPress dashboard using a plugin, which is one of the easiest ways to add a clear visual label to products that are no longer available. This can improve the shopping experience for your customers by helping them immediately understand which items are out of stock without needing to open the product page. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in the admin area, head over to Plugins and then click Add New. This is where you can search for and install new functionality for your WooCommerce store. In the search bar, look for a plugin such as Sold Out Badge for WooCommerce or another similar and reputable badge plugin like Product Badges for WooCommerce. The exact plugin you choose may vary slightly in layout and features, but the overall setup process is usually very similar. As always, it's a good idea to choose a plugin with solid reviews, recent updates, and compatibility with your current WordPress and WooCommerce versions. When you've found the plugin you want to use, click Install and then click Activate. After activation, the plugin will usually add a new settings area somewhere in your dashboard. In most cases, you'll find it under Settings, under a dedicated sold out badge menu, or sometimes under Products or a Badges section, depending on the plugin. Next, open the plugin settings. This is where you'll customize how your sold out label appears on your store. You can usually edit the badge text, so if you want it to say sold out of stock, or something similar, this is where you'll do that. You'll also be able to adjust the background color so it matches your branding and choose the badge position on the product image. For example, you may want it in the top left, top right, or centered, depending on what looks best with your product photos and theme layout. After customizing the appearance, set the display rule or condition so the badge only appears when the stock status is set to out of stock. This is the key step that makes the badge automatic, so you won't need to manually add or remove it for each product. Once everything looks right, save your changes. After saving, visit your store and check an out-of-stock product to confirm the badge is displaying correctly. If needed, you can always return to the settings and fine-tune the style or placement so it fits your storefront perfectly. That's it. Your WooCommerce store should now clearly show a sold-out badge whenever a product is out of stock.